Samantha here from RecipeThis.com and the voice behind the popular Kitchen Gadgets podcast, Magic with Gadgets. Today I want to combine the beautiful talents of our new cookbook, Air Fryer Easy Every Day, with our amazing time and temp chart. This time and temp chart features the time and temps, just like it sounds on the box, of 275 plus of the most popular air fryer time and temperatures. So one of the ones that we feature in there is canned potatoes. Canned potatoes have made a comeback thanks to the air fryer and thanks to social media, and they're just amazing in the air fryer. What we have is, on our vegetarian and reheating chapter, we've got a cool little section called canned here, and this also features information about canned potatoes and the fact that it's just 20 minutes, 180 Celsius, 360 Fahrenheit for cooking them whole, for slicing them up and all sorts of other things. But they have, and they were sliced up, and it was Lancashire hot pot style, leftover Monday pie with those on top, and it's just a brilliant frugal way of enjoying your canned potatoes. So I want to start today with one of my favourite ways with canned potatoes, and that's sliced like you see on a Lancashire hot pot. They're just amazing, and I think they taste a lot better than cooking canned potatoes whole in the air fryer, because the oil and the crispiness is going everywhere, and it's not just the skin area that's getting coated, but everywhere's getting all the lovely flavour. So what you need a can of drained potatoes. We recommend these ones from Tesco's. These are brilliant. And avoid the more expensive smaller cans because they produce much smaller potatoes, so you don't get as much potato to chop. And then make sure that they're nicely drained. So I normally rinse out the can and then do this, and it gets rid of any of the extra. And then what we recommend is some kitchen towel. What you want is a brilliant coating of the oil on the potatoes. I'm just going to wipe this out for any leftover drain bits. And then what you do is you paper towel your potatoes to get rid of any excess water. This is one of the reasons why we don't really recommend parboiling potatoes for the air fryer, just because you have to do this and it makes it such an effort compared to peeling and then cooking straight away. So gently do this, and this is just one can of potatoes, but do you see what I mean? You can end up with some really small ones in your cans, and they're not very useful if you wanted to go for universal size. So I often do more than one can of potatoes at once, but that just gets rid of some of the excess moisture, and then we can get a chopping board and get slicing it. So this is my round one. It's perfect for doing these potatoes with. So now we've got rid of some of the excess moisture there. And then you can see just how much more it's holding. So that to one side. That's your bowl, ready for preparing them in. And then, do you have a favourite knife? It's really a thing. This is my favourite knife. That's my late dog's bite marks on it still, but it was his favourite one, and you know what it's like, you can never give up your favourite one, can you? So then what you want to do is you want to just slice up your potatoes. Aim for 1 centimetre thick slices, depending, you might prefer it a bit thicker than this. And then carry on doing this until you've done all your potatoes. And then when you're done, you should have all your potatoes ready in your bowl. And now we can start adding in any extras you want to include. So plenty of salt, because I find that the canned potatoes really need it. And then once you've added salt and pepper, you can go with whatever seasoning you fancy. If you want to just keep it simple, mixed herbs are absolutely brilliant. And they give a lovely all-round flavour. And then a little bit of olive oil, because you want that lovely crispy texture on your potatoes. And then all you've got to do now is mix the ingredients in the bowl with your hands and they're ready to go in the air fryer. But you've got to be gentle with them, because remember, canned potatoes have actually been parboiled, so you don't want them breaking up. And they look absolutely fantastic and they're ready to go in now. I'm just going to give the hands a quick wipe and then we can get them on. Right, hands wiped, and now we're ready to go on. Pull out your air fryer basket, tip them in. Oh, they need a little bit extra help because they were stuck a little bit to the bottom. And then you can shake them about so they're spread out like that, if you look. And then they're ready to go on. So, remember, we're working off the time and temps that are in this. And this clearly states that for baby potatoes that have been sliced from a can need 20 minutes at 180 Celsius, 360 Fahrenheit. So let's do that, shall we? 180, and then climb it all the way up to 20 minutes, and then press start. And then in 20 minutes we can come and check on them and see how they're doing. Did you know that we have a free air fryer mini course? It runs for 5 days, is delivered by email, covers 5 important air fryer beginner topics, and includes a free PDF and free recipes. Simply head over to recipethis.com and search mini course for full details. And we've beefed. So let's check, shall we, on these delicious sliced canned potatoes. And I mean, oh wow, I mean, look at those. It's just one of those simple things in the air fryer, and you know, it's one of those cheap ingredients as well. I mean, canned potatoes. I mean, when I got these originally for the photo shoot, the first reaction was, oh, they're too cheap to use in the air fryer. But honestly, they're amazing. And we picked them up from Tesco's. They're ridiculously cheap, and then you can slice them up like this. If you're doing a Lancashire hot pot, you can use canned potatoes. I mean, listen to that, you can hear the crisp on that. And honestly, look at them beauties, don't they look fantastic? I mean, oh, I'm just so in love with them. They're just so nice. Let's get some on the fork for you. Oh wow, I mean, oh, they are amazing. And you know, this is just using our time and temp guide. It's just a brilliant starting point for the air fryer. And it's great for when you get the idea of the air fryer and you just quickly want to know the time and temp, to be able to cook the potatoes like this using the air fryer. It's just brilliant. And like I said, these are a brilliant side dish for dinner. You know, you can put them on top of your casseroles and your hot pots and things as well. And we just love them cooked in the air fryer. Have you checked out Air Fryer Easy Every Day yet? It's our brand new air fryer cookbook, following on from the success of the Complete Air Fryer Cookbook. It has over 140 everyday air fryer recipes for you to follow along with at home in your air fryer. Perfect for different types of air fryers too, as it covers the air fryer oven, basket and dual air fryers, as well as some fun recipes if you're cooking for one. So what are you waiting for? Go and order yourself a copy now and you will not be disappointed. It's from 12 years of air frying. And thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to follow us on Pinterest, Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and of course you can also find us on TikTok. But best of all, head over to recipethis.com/newsletter to join our weekly newsletter. And I'm Sam, and thanks again for watching.